Hello! So today I have these amazing, gorgeous, and ethereal 5-minute hairstyles inspired by mythical creatures. So today I'm going to be creating hairstyles inspired by elves, fairies, and mermaids. I created these hairstyles because I was so inspired to create whimsical hairstyles, and just a friendly reminder that I just launched my jewelry line, so all of the pieces that I'm wearing in this video are from my latest jewelry collection with Keston. Also, thank you so much to Alice Closet for sponsoring this video. I have been playing dress-up games and gacha dress-up games for so many years now, and so I was super excited when Alice Closet reached out to me to do a collaboration together. So Alice Closet is a gacha-based dress-up game, and if you don't know what gacha means, you basically put in some type of currency, usually it's in-game currency, and you roll a random number generator and you get some cute clothes in return. There are tons of different clothes in this game, which makes it so exciting. You can really dress up your avatar to really represent your different style. And my favorite thing about this game is that there are different types of gachas available. And so there are long-term gacha events that never expire. And there's also limited time gacha events as well. So I've got my phone and I'm ready to roll for some clothes. So here you can see Calypso's Closet, which is an unlimited gacha. And so I'm just going to pull 10 because it only takes in-game coins. And these are all new items that I haven't gotten yet. Ooh, a 5-star item. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And then there's like certain suits that you can complete in this gacha. I'm going to draw from the monthly gacha, which I'm super excited about because I think these suits are so cute. And I think I can also just press the skip button. Oh my gosh, everything is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yay! Oh my gosh. Did I complete the suit? Oh my gosh, I completed the suit. All right, let's go into our dress up mode so that we can see these new pieces that we got. Oh my god, she has a giant cage. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this hair on her. I'm going to make this my avatar. Oh my god, look at how adorable she is. My avatar, I love you. All right, we're going to roll for the Boxgacha. Ooh, this frame. Oh my gosh. Harvest Empress. Oh my god, you're so cute. The Palace High Priestess. Okay, I think she's probably my favorite outfit in this entire game so far. Let's look at the Palace High Priestess. I'm super excited. She is the cutest. Oh my god, she is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this frame. This hair is so cute. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Oh, that moon piece is so cute. I love the veil on her. Oh my god, she is so cute. All right, she's definitely my favorite. So you guys saw me play the gacha event that is currently available, but they also have some really cute ones coming up as well. So they have the optional gacha and also the Thanksgiving gacha that's coming in time for the holidays. They were so nice to also provide a redemption code so that you can get some free gifts if you log into the game, and so that's going to pop up somewhere on the screen. Be sure to check the link in the description box below so that you can download Alice Closet and start playing for free and collect all of these amazing, adorable costumes. So thank you so much to Alice Closet for sponsoring this video, and let's get started with our fantasy-inspired hairstyles. So the first hairstyle that I have is inspired by fairies. This one is going to be super whimsical. So first I'm sectioning 2 inches of hair on the left side of my face, and I'm taking these tiny clear elastics and I'm starting by tying this right at ear level, and then moving 1 inch down, I'm taking another clear elastic and I'm tying it off. And you guys have seen me do this before. I call these bubble braids. I'm just going to use my fingers to pull and tug the 1 inch of hair so that it gets a bit of volume so that it puffs up like a bubble. Then I'm going to repeat this process. I'm tying another elastic 1 inch down and I'm pulling to create a little bubble, and I'm going to do this a couple times until I reach the end of my hair. Then the super fun part, I'm going to be accessorizing very heavily in these hairstyles to give them a whimsical feel. I'm using my favorite butterfly hairpins and I'm clipping them at over each section of the bubble to hide the elastics. And I'm going with a pink and purple theme, and I'm going to be using alternating colors. I wanted to bring in a flower motif into this hairstyle, so I'm taking this string of floral crystal beads and I'm clipping this right above my butterflies. And then to finish off the entire look, I'm taking this amazing blue and purple ombre chiffon bow, and I'm clipping this over the top of my butterfly braid. And that's it for this hairstyle. I went with something that's asymmetrical and really plays in with a lot of different textures and hair accessories. And I really like how this turned out. I feel like it's super, super cute. And depending on how you accessorize, it can definitely be wearable for every day as well. And the necklace from my Secret Garden collection that I'm wearing to match this style is the Lumine Charm in gold. For our next hairstyle, I'm going to be creating a hairstyle inspired by elves. I got this really amazing headpiece and I immediately was like, okay, I need to do a mythical creatures inspired hairstyle tutorial. So first off, I'm clipping my little circlet underneath 2 sections of hair so that I could cover the clips. And then again, I'm going for an asymmetric look for this hairstyle. I feel like it just seems more lived in with an asymmetric look. So I'm taking a 1-inch section of hair and I'm braiding that all the way to the bottom with a regular 3-strand braid. And then I'm going to create another one about 1 inch behind the first one. So in total, I have 2 little braids. And so taking 3 fingers, I'm grabbing the bottom of my hair and I'm twisting it and twirling it around my 3 fingers and looping it all the way until the top so that it creates a little rosette. Then I'm going to pin this in place with a bobby pin, and I'm going to repeat for the second braid, and I'm sort of bringing it below the first one so that I'm creating 2 rosettes. And you can see that I was kind of messy with the bobby pins. At this point, you don't really have to worry too much about covering the bobby pins. Now to accessorize, I'm bringing back my favorite butterfly hair clips, and I'm taking this really adorable pink one with pearl strands, and I'm clipping my butterflies over my rosettes to decorate it. I slapped on some super quick elf ears, and that's it for this hairstyle. Super adorable, but incredibly whimsical, and I'm so in love with how this turned out. I really felt like a princess from Lord of the Rings from the Elven Kingdom, so I was truly living my best life in this hairstyle, and you can too. And the stunning necklace that I am wearing to complete this look is the Colette charm in silver. For our last hairstyle, I'm going to be creating an asymmetric braid inspired by mermaids. So leaving out the pieces of hair framing my face, I'm gathering all of my hair onto one side and I'm tying it off with an elastic. And I'm keeping this fairly loose because I wanted to keep the tousled waves kind of look. And then taking the rest of my hair, I'm going to be creating a rope braid. And a rope braid is really easy to do. I'm splitting my hair in 2 sections and I'm twirling them away from my face, both in the same direction. And then taking my 2 twirled sections, I'm going to overlap them and twist in the opposite direction. So this time I'm going to be twisting the strands to the left, and I'm going to continue twisting until I reach the end, and then I'm securing it off with an elastic. To accessorize, I have these super adorable dangling hairpins. I think they're supposed to be butterfly wings, but to me they kind of reminded me of like flying fish or like mermaid tails. So I used this for my mermaid motif instead. And then again, I'm taking my chiffon bow and I'm clipping this over the base of my braid to hide the elastic. And then to tie off the entire look, I wanted to go with the look of pearls because again, under the sea, we're mermaids. I have these super cool swirly pearl pins and I'm just swirling them into my braid in different areas until I reach the end of my braid. And that's it for this hairstyle. Again, I really love how it turned out. I think the pearl pins cascading down the rope braid makes it look super romantic and also very mermaid-like. And the necklace that I'm wearing to complete this look is the Autoline charm in gold. So that's it for this video. I really had so much fun creating this video. To be honest, I was living because I love fantasy inspired hairstyles and I love trying to make whimsical hairstyles, but also bridging the gap between what is fantasy and what is wearable for everyday life. So thank you guys so much for allowing me to play with my fantasies. Also, thank you so much for supporting my jewelry launch. I am so honored to have created it and I'm really, really proud of how everything turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys again next time.